Here I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter general management, then go to language, tap add language. Here you have the whole list of languages in which you can set up your device. You can select one of these. Let's select, for example, maybe Ukrainian, and then you can just tap on set as default, and after that language will be changed to Ukrainian. If you want to change it back to English, you just have to go to the налаштування, then to the загальне керування, мова, and select English, and then tap застосувати. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.